he goes out and he was like, dude, when I came to this company, when, I left, he then moved companies, and he introduced same day. And this company was like, that's impossible. The proposal team didn't even know what that was. And they're like, what do you mean same day appointments? He's like, well, that's all we did with Sam. And they're like, no. So he had to get assigned a whole new proposal person just to do same day appointments. And my whole theory is, if I can catch you, I can sell you. That's it. So my goal would be, I've got a time available right now, so I'm going to set up same days if my calendar is blank. Let's say that I already have a calendar appointment. If I'm knocking and I'm trying to set appointments for tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to try to set my appointments up for here and here. We'll call this appointment availability. I'm not available here. And why do I do this? If I put my appointments early, let's say my first appointment is not to be with a fictitious Tiffany, it's supposed to be with a real person. Because the day before, my goal was to set myself up an appointment at 1:30 because that's when I start. So I'm driving straight to home and I start the day with some momentum. I start the day with a sale. I start the day on a home. That's the best way to start a day. Then I'm going to try to finish my day. My first appointment I'm going to set for the evening is 9 p.m. Because what's going to do is I'm going to actually create time. Meaning I'm going to add an extra hour or 2 hours to every single sales day, because most people don't like to knock after 9 p.m. But if I can be in a home closing a deal at 9 p.m., nobody minds me selling them at 10 o'clock at night. I can sell them. So my goal is to work backwards from the farthest appointment that I'm willing to set, which is 9:30, and work forwards from the earliest appointment that I'm willing to set, and then fill in the middle of the day. Where do most people put the appointments? Is they say, what time are you available, ma'am? And she's like, oh, probably just when I get home from work. When do you get home from work? Oh, 5 or 6. How about I come by at 6? And so what they do is they fill up their prime time of knocking time right away. And I go, well, then what's going to happen is you're going to do the whole piddle puddle. You're going to go back to home, stay on the couch. You're going to start working at 5. You're going to then show up to her house at 6. Then you're going to finish at 7:38. You're going to not want to get on the doors because what's the point? And you're going to go back home and you had a total of 1 hour day. Congratulations. And that's what's happening over and over and over again, is your appointments are actually shortening your day. They're not accelerating your day. If I have an appointment at 9 p.m., I'm accelerating and I'm compounding the length of every day. And if I have an appointment at 1:30, I'm compounding the day. If you're not super keen on family time, you're a single dude, set your appointments early. It gets you out there.